Imagine a wind deciding the fate of a nation. One fateful day when the world could have shifted, all because of nature. In 1274, the Mongols expanded their power, turning their spears toward Japan. A massive fleet with thousands of warriors and ships ready to overwhelm. They believed victory was inevitable. But Japan was no ordinary target. Coastal fortresses, steadfast samurai, and nature itself intervening in ways no one expected. A sudden storm appeared. Waves crashed with fury. Winds tore across the sea. Mongol ships were smashed, sinking into the ocean. Few survived, drifting ashore, carrying fear and despair. Japan stood firm. Once again, the nation avoided conquest. What seemed like luck became a symbol of strength and resilience. Japanese warriors relied not only on weapons and skill, they harnessed nature, understood the seas and the weather. Smart, adaptive defenses, combined with courage, turned the islands into natural fortresses. This strategy, together with the Kamikaze Wind, protected the nation from an unprecedented invasion. But imagine if the storm had shifted slightly. If the Mongol fleet had reached the shore, Japan could have been conquered 700 years earlier. East Asian history, the world map, might have been completely rewritten. Culture, politics, dynasties, all altered because of a single wind arriving at just the wrong moment. History is sometimes determined not only by humans, but by nature itself. Kamikaze Wind reminds us that strength, wisdom, and luck can together preserve a civilization. And in those moments, the survival of a nation depends on forces both small and extraordinary.